Just you perfect. Welcome back. So today I'm doing a gaming channel. This is over here me. I personally activated it, and here's my house. I took it a few more days, and I want to show you guys something. If you play this game and go to this time, so I'm just gonna show you something. So over here we have also a lava. We have a lava and you can actually jump in it and you get stuck. That's why you have to respawn. That's why so this is the really easiest way. So I'm just gonna go all the way back to the entrance. We can start with the roof, but I don't have a roof. I have only upstairs. So here's the entrance. If you walk in, this is what you see. So we have a dining table over here. And here's our fridge. And here we have a lot of, we have the kitchen. So this kitchen and the stove, on the bottom stove, and on the top is the gas. So over here we have the TV room. You can watch TV over here. You can usually go up there, so I just keep sitting here. You have a table and our TV. It's pretty big. Pretty big. And we have even a few more doors. I just don't remember. That was just someone saying, but I can't really say anything. So here we have a guest room, usually a room for everyone. I live with few people. I live with a few people. But keep saying and I ignore it because it's pretty annoying. If you guys hear this, just comment down below why is it annoying. I'm just gonna say that. Because they don't have a emo. An emo means they're not the players. I'm a player. That's why I have an emo. So here is the rooms. So basically this is the guest room. I mean someone else's room. My room is right here, like at the second stage of this side. And this V5 here, this is not our guest, but she lives in here. I have a balcony perhaps because I'm a famous girl, that's why. And I work at a perfume shop. Oh my god, that's so insane. And here we have a bed. It's so pretty. So basically, we can. Now let's go on with the other room. Now we can go on the room. What? And I forgot. I have also a window here to look outside. Who's ever speaking in my door? So we have a same purple bed from the other kind of room, but downstairs it's one room. And guys, I'll show you the bathroom at the last because I just forgot where they are. So over here we got, where am I? Oh, here. What's this room? Oh, I found it. So over here we have the bathrooms. So we have only 3 doors, and I can't show you that because it's a little squishy. That's why I have to turn on my camera like this. I can see into her eyes. If I do this, I'll just see in with her. Okay, so we have to find, wait a minute. Guys, wait a minute. I will meet you guys. Okay, guys, I found a way to get out over here. Oh, I just went inside the TV room. Wait, that's actually, I'm upstairs, back. I'm upstairs. Back in the bathrooms. And if I go up here. No, really up. So when you see this, that's where your TV room is. So this is my house. Wait, I forgot about outside. So I grew famous flowers to make perfume. And over here we got and wait, this is actually a worst light on it. It moves pretty fast. Watch. Whee! Look, you can also take a shower here. I'm so excited to take showers. This where water comes. It's clean water. And this is my house. Yeah. So basically, I'm going to give you a tour. We got at the backyard. I'm gonna show you. At the backyard, I think I saw one time at a window I look from. It pointed till here. And we have this type of side and came up, but it's some type of hiding spot. But I never played hide and seek before, but I have, but not in this Bloxcraft. And almost got to lava. So I'm gonna take a good look at my map to find some lava. Oh, I can see lava already. It's like on the hills and right beside. This is lava. And someone's stuck, so she can't really get out. She'll be stuck in there for a few days and then she will get out. That's why we have to respawn every time. Okay. Now let's go to the lava. I think I saw on the map there's so many hills, so we have to go on top of these hills. It's nighttime, but it's okay. Probably 5 o'clock. So I'm going at the top. No, I'm going at the bottom. But why can't I just go over there and respawn over there? Why can't I put a lamp there? If I put a swan over there, it would be... Oh, that's a wolf howling. This is so squishy. Okay, I'm gonna take a good look at the map again. Oh, I'm almost through it. It's right over there. I'm just gonna click travel because that's the easier. Kind of easy. Okay. Oh my goodness! Look at this lava! It's so pretty! This is so good! Oh my god, you guys! Oh my one of my travelers over there. I just realized. That's the moon coming out of this broccoli lava. My hands like broccoli. Can I jump in it? Is it too hot? Oh, I guess it keeps pushing me back. So I think it might get stuck in it. So guys, this was my video today. Okay guys, this was the end of my house Cool Mania. I have still more houses, but I'll show you them in the next video, except the house with roses. So guys, meet you next time. Goodbye.